BMF.
Hi, I'm Jay Granelli
Nate Shaw.
from the Gowanus, Reggae, and Ska Society, and we are playing Friday, February 9th at the Brooklyn Music Factory.
And we're super excited because we are going to be featuring the music of the tenor titan from Jamaica,
Roland Alphonso.
So the Gowanus Reggae and Ska Society it's a society of amazing jazz musicians dedicated to Jamaican music here in the Gowanus. And who are we featuring on the gig February 9th?
The amazing Mr. Michael Blake on tenor saxophone.
Love it. On the trombone, the thriller, Mark Miller. He's the original Gowanus Reggae member, yeah?
Yes, he is.
And
The incredible Rick Sabo.
Oh, on drums.
Nope, guitar.
Oh, sorry, yes. And then, of course, we have Mike Sarin
On the drums. He's
on the drums. Yeah, sorry, thank you. Okay, so, and tell us about so we have made 2 records so far. The Gowanus Reggae and Ska Society made our first one, Green. Green is...
all reggae, ska, rocksteady classics.
And then we followed it up with my favorite, Grass on Fire.
A jazz reworking of the Bob Marley classic,
Catch a Fire.
Catch a Fire.
And we are planning this winter of doing a record of nothing but Roland Alphonso jams.
Yes, so you could come and be part of the ground floor, the first kickoff, if you will, of this new project.
Friday, February 9th at the Brooklyn Music Factory, 7:30 p.m. Family friendly. We're super psyched to bring our music there. And we'll see you there Friday, February 9th, Gowanus Reggae and Ska Society.
Come.